guys, welcome to Jables Outdoors. Today I'm going to unbox and assemble this Carmyra chainsaw mill that I picked up on Amazon for, I think it was $166 free shipping. I've been looking into making slabs of my own for doing my own furniture and you know, just kind of putting around. I cut trees, I get paid to cut trees, part of my business, and you know, out of curiosity I always hand slab sections out of logs that I cut just to kind of see the grain, and I always have ideas and stuff spinning around, so I picked up this nice little Carmyra chainsaw mill off of Amazon, and today we're going to put it together. Stay tuned. And there you have it, guys. Total time about 30 minutes. And there is the Amazon chainsaw mill. Pretty much the cheapest one you can find put together. I just need to tighten this one bar up and away we go. And adjust for the size of my saw. So stay tuned for some more videos on Jables Outdoors, and let's watch this thing eat soon. Cheers.